What if you found you're the one, but he or she is from different timeline? By the way, sa mga alipin ng papel dyan, I have a good news for you. Nakikita nyo to. Ayan. Kasi in every purchase of cinema ticket in select cinemas, you could score a limited edition Secret Untold Melody photo cards. And it's for you to find out how many to collect. Ang dami nila kasi. Back to the movie, have you ever been on a situation na nawalan ka na ng gana sa life? Yung nawalan ka ng purpose, pero yung na-meet mo yung someone, na-regain mo ulit ito at nagkaroon ka ng lakas para ituloy ang laban sa buhay. The movie is a romantic fantasy film na sobrang nakakilig at for sure mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. And it's a perfect movie for all, lalo na sa mga nagmamahal at magmamahal pa lang. And of course, sa mga fans ni Do Kyung-soo. The story goes, when Yoo Jun, aka B.O., meet accidentally a woman that he fell in love with, Jung-ah, aka Wo Jin-ah. And here's the twist. As their love goes deeper and deeper, Yoo Jun discovered that Jung-ah is coming from different timeline or from the past at nakikita lang sila once tinutugtog yung piano. O diba, grabe, paano na lang gagawin nila dito? Intriguing, right? May paglalaban kaya nila yung pagmamahalan nila? And sa tingin nyo, mapapatunayan nila that love can really move mountains? Secret Untold Melody is now showing in cinemas nationwide.